Hello, my name is Michael Jeremy Bishop, and I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Word, or more specifically, how to resize text and format text settings, insert a header, and change documents into different formats. Now, you may be wondering, why these three specific things? Well, I have found, in my experience, that these are the most common things that you will use in Microsoft Word. Whether it be writing a term paper, doing a research paper, submitting a report, or something else along those lines, like creating a resume. So, to begin, let's go to resizing text and formatting text settings. First, you want to make sure you're at the Home tab. Then, you want to hover your mouse over to the Font section of the tab. As you will note, right there, you can use Control-D to automatically bring up the font window. As well as this, you can access the font options in the actual font section instead of bringing up the window. From here, you can choose a new font. Let's go with Rockwell Nova Light. Make it italic and size 20 and size 16. You have now formatted the default text. To change text, you first want to highlight the text you want to change. Then, you can either use the window that I used previously, or you can come over here and change it this way. The next thing you're going to want to do is insert a header. For this, you will need to head over to the Insert tab. Go to the Header and Footer section of the tab. Click on the Header option. From here, you will either want to choose the blank option or the blank 3 columns option. I prefer to go with the blank 3 columns option so that I can insert a page number most of the time. You will want to go back over to the Header and Footer section. Go to the page number option, and you can either do top of the page, plain number 3 is the most commonly used, or current position. I prefer to use current position. However, it is up to you. Now that we have a header, you can type in things that are important for whatever document you are writing. For example, if you would be writing a resume, you would probably need to type in your name, phone number, and email. Finally, you'll want to change document into a different format. Now, why would you ever do this? Simple. PDFs are typically going to be easier to use, or at the very least, easier to receive and use. This is because information can be lost if someone is sent a regular Word document and they accidentally delete some information. To do so, you'll want to go to the File tab at the top of the screen. Click on it, and go to the Save As option. Next, you will want to go to the drop-down menu that is right here. Click on the arrow pointing down, and then go to the PDF option. This will say, when you hit Save, this will save the document as a PDF file instead of a Word document. As well as this, you can rename the document by double-clicking the name right there, which in this case is New Microsoft Word Document, and type in, any old anything. I'm personally going to leave it at New Microsoft Word Document. Well, I hope this has been helpful to someone, and have a pleasant day.